In Flintshire, we are committed to continuously strive to improve. Flintshire is leading the way in innovative ways of working by doing things differently to improve well-being.
Not using standard convention, challenging the way we deliver services and improving people's lives in a way that is different, is ambitious and is dynamic.
By working together, we can deliver creative, innovative and person-centred services and deliver excellent services.
A Breath of Fresh Air is all about the Flintshire difference. It relates to our mindset, our collective attitude and determination to do the right thing for the people of Flintshire. Doing the right thing means going against the grain and trying new approaches, doing things the way they should be done.
We have great partnerships with our colleagues in the Health Service, Betsy Cadwallader University Health Board, with North Wales Police, with voluntary sector organisations and with our care sector.
Working in partnership with Theatre Glywed in 2022, Flintshire County Council were commended in National Social Care Award.
Our project is about working in partnership with Theatre Glywed to bring about opportunities for children and young people that social services have identified as being vulnerable.
Hi, I'm Evan and I've enjoyed being in this project. Well, in last summer we done lots of dancing and acting and also stuff.
I fod onest, dwi'n meddwl bod y ddau mudiad wedi dysgu lot drwy'r broses yma. Sut ydyn ni'n cadw gofal, sut ydyn ni'n dysgu o'n camgymeriadau hefyd, a sut mae cyfathrebu rhwng teuluoedd a'r pobl ifanc hefyd.
Our relationship with our voluntary sector is brilliant, and our partners like FLVC, HFT, Double Click, fantastic, brilliant work that we do with our social enterprises.
We actually build capital facilities for people which are really innovative and state-of-the-art. Marleyfield House has been doubled in size, a fantastic facility provided jointly with the Health Service, which supports our local hospital, the Wrexham Miler, and really is one of the most innovative and creative services going in the region. Hub Cuffley is a fantastic facility that supports people with day opportunities and being able to access real work. We also have been hugely influential in taking forward Project Search, a way for people with learning disabilities and autism to find real jobs. 75% plus of people on Project Search obtain real jobs at the end of it.
It's helped build my confidence. I couldn't talk anybody to eye. I'm just seeing where it goes really, seeing how it goes and everything, and it looks like it's going really well.
Theatre Seren is a group created by individuals who share an interest and passion in performing arts. The group has been created in partnership with HFT and Social Services. Here they can be seen performing in their latest production, Alice.
One of the service developments that I'm particularly proud of is the local authorities' commitment and the political support we've had to develop our own in-house residential care service. We are very innovative in Flintshire. We're always looking at new ways of working, embracing new technologies, new innovation, whilst sustaining and making sure that we do the core things right and keep that so staff aren't in a constant flux of change. We've developed an early help hub where agencies all come together. We've got 15 agencies that will really look at what matters to a child or a family and how we can get them on the right path to early help and support. We've got a great strategic partnership with Action for Children and working to develop services in that partnership way, bringing the best of the third sector and statutory services together really means that we get good quality services that support our children and families.
Flintshire's mental health service support people to improve their well-being and to live well as independently as possible. Direct payments can give individuals more voice, choice and control over the support they use to meet their outcomes. Direct payments can be used to arrange flexible support bespoke to the individual for things such as employing personal assistants, arranging respite or funding activities.
It's me who's kept me well. Yeah, it's me who's kept me well. But the support I get from direct payments has also helped me too. It's helped me build my confidence. It's helped me find more empathy for people, I suppose, and just helped me be who I wanted to be.
I worked with Joanne for 7 years now, and yeah, it's been lovely. Joanne's definitely got her own voice and in control of things. If there's something she's not happy with or she wants changing, absolutely make sure you're heard, don't you? You've definitely got a strong opinion, so yeah, Joanne's definitely in control here, you know.
I've got this allotment with direct payments because somebody in social services got it that direct payments could be used for well-being, not just for respite, or because this is my respite, but something I enjoy doing. I feel I've got a purpose again.
Microcare is a fantastic innovation that Flintshire's led across the whole country, and now we have got fantastic levels of support for microcarers who've really added a new source of people coming into the care market to support vulnerable people, and it's been fantastic to see those people join social care.
I think every day in Flintshire we look at the person as an individual. We look at the outcomes that they are trying to achieve to keep them at their optimum, and we'll do whatever we need to do to enable that to happen. And we're always looking at different ways of working. The person themselves is the absolute expert in their own lives.
Something that our workforce does so well is that thought of what the person at the centre of the care and support needs. And they have voice, choice and control over what those services look like. And that's something that our workforce is so strong at understanding, getting underneath the skin of what's required for that person. Being creative, yes, absolutely, but also listening, taking on board what those people want.
Progress for Providers award a quality mark to providers who achieve a certain standard in person-centred practice.
Staff connect with the residents, they get to know them, they know when things are wrong, they know when things are right.
They're able to deliver what matters for that individual, so it's more bespoke. We've moved away from task-focused care to delivering what matters for individuals.
It's changing the whole face of social care. It's definitely the way forward in care.
I think it's so important that we recognise people's dedication to the service as well. People put in so much effort and so much of their own time and their family's time in doing things like qualifications and improving themselves, those extra things that we all do because we're dedicated to the work that we do and we want to support the people of Flintshire to our best abilities. The workforce is absolutely vital to the work that we do in social services. And when I say workforce, I don't suppose I just mean those staff at the front line, those ones who are doing the day jobs that we think about, but all of the people who work within our social services structures. And that's people who are receiving services and have that lived experience. It's their families, it's our partner agencies, and it's all the staff, whether they be back office or whether they be working directly with an individual. So important, and I think that gives me such pride in what we do here in Flintshire. It's amazing that we can deliver the services we do with the constraints and the budgets that we have. I can't get over some days how creative we all are. Sometimes I think to myself, gosh, how are we going to fix this today? And then suddenly something comes along and somebody comes with a bright idea, a new way of working. Maybe it's a change of service, and that's all down to workforce. That's you guys, that's everybody out there doing their bit. Pride that we feel as senior managers is incredible, so we can do nothing but say thank you.